What is the best brand of hyaluronic acid filler? Guangzhou AOMA Biological Technology Committee produces different types of dermal fillers which can last 9 to 18 months. According to our 21 years customers' feedback, the raw material of hyaluronic acid filler was imported from USA, which cost $45,000 per kilogram. All of our products quality will be strictly according to FDA and EDQM regulation. The newly developed patent product, AHA Fill, is the most long-lasting filling product, which can last 10 years or more. All of the Sari brand dermal fillers are manufactured by natural technology, extremely low BDE with high cross-linking rate, which can last longer. We are one of the first-time factories to produce sodium hyaluronic gel in the world, with the top 100 level GMP pharmaceutical production version and more than 1,000 mature formulas. We have successfully provided OEM and ODM service to over 453 customers. Please feel free to contact us if you need OEM service.